have a problem from GATE 2023 once again, and I think this is the last mathematical physics problem came in GATE 2023. The remaining I have already uploaded or discussed. So look at this problem. A 4 by 4 matrix M has the property m dagger is equals to minus m and m to the power 4 is equals to identity. I is the identity matrix 4 by 4. Which one of the following is the correct set of eigenvalues of the matrix M? M dagger is equals to minus m. What does it mean? It means that M is a skew symmetric matrix, skew Hermitian matrix. Okay, skew Hermitian matrix. This is not Hermitian, this is skew Hermitian matrix. And for a skew Hermitian matrix, what is the nature of the eigenvalues? The eigenvalues we get either 0 or you get purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means only ith wala component will be there. Let's say if you have a number 5 plus 2i, this is not purely imaginary. Numbers like 2i, 5i, I, minus I, 6i, these are purely imaginary because it only has the imaginary part. Okay. Now further it is given m to the power 4 is equals to identity. M to the power 4 is equals to identity. I am writing identity in this way, and identity, this is a 4 by 4 order matrix. So if you consider the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So the 4 by 4 identity matrix will look like this. Now which of the following is the correct set of eigenvalues of the matrix? Okay, so as m to the power 4 is equals to identity, what we can say, determinant of m to the power 4. What will be the determinant of m to the power 4? M to the power 4 has only non-zero value along the diagonal. So these are their eigenvalues, right? The determinant is the product of eigenvalues. So this will be 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. The determinant we have got. Now which of the following represents current set of eigenvalues? Let's say now let's make it. अगर देखो, if you consider the matrix M, if lambda I be the eigenvalues, and if you consider m to the power 4, what will be the eigenvalues? Lambda I equal to the power 4. This is the scheme, right? Now for this determinant m to the power 4 is equals to I, means lambda I to the power 4. अगर इसका हम लोगों को पता है, so what we can say, as the eigenvalues are all 1, we can say that sum over lambda I to the power 4 is equals to how much? Is equals to 1. Okay, sum or product of eigenvalue, no? So this is basically product of eigenvalues. This will be 1. If we consider the sum of eigenvalues, that will represent the trace. Okay, so trace if you consider, then lambda I whole to the power 4 sum over I runs from 1 to 4. This trace will be 4. So here you are given the possible values of lambda I, and whatever values will satisfy these two conditions, this and this, that will be the correct answer. अभी देखो ये वाला तो satisfy नहीं करेगा, करेगा? नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि ये आइदर 0 हो सकता है और प्योरली इमेजिनरी. सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस ये और ये तो चला गया. अभी दो ऑप्शन बच रहा है हमारे पास, यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, और ये दोनों ही सेटिस्फाई करेगा ये दोनों कंडीशन. जैसे मैं आपको दिखाऊं, आई टू द पावर 4, आई टू द पावर 4 की वैल्यू जो आता है वो कितना होगा? आई स्क्वायर इंटू आई स्क्वायर इज -1 -1, सो +1. और अगर माइनस आई टू द पावर 4 भी लोगे तो माइनस आई होल स्क्वायर माइनस आई होल स्क्वायर, ये भी आपका +1 ही आएगा। तो यहाँ पे दोनों सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, बट हियर इज ए कैच। कौन सा वाला सही है? क्योंकि एक ही ऑप्शन करेक्ट है। यहाँ पे जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आएगा वो पेयर में आएगा। एक थ्योरी है, थ्योरी में यहाँ पे लिखवा देता हूँ, जो कि है every complex roots must be conjugate pairs। इस हिसाब से देखो i minus i minus n, so option B will be the correct option। I hope you understand this problem। बहुत ही अच्छा प्रॉब्लम है। I hope I have explained everything of this। Now before I end this video, let me just tell you an exciting offer guys, which is currently going on Unacademy। You can get flat 20% off on Unacademy Plus subscription and up to free 4-month extension। You can utilize our referral code physics hub नहीं हो रहा है PHYSICXHUB। If you apply this referral code while taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will get the maximum benefits। Utilize this code and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal। Thank you। Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform। You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR। Especially if you are preparing for CSR NET Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus। I cover all the 9 units of CSR NET Physical Science syllabus। My approach is especially I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic, then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis। Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed। Homework and assignments are also given। This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course। And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code physics hub, and Unacademy will give you 10% off। So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal। Thank you।